for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap down today, and thereafter continued to trade with a negative bias throughout the day. In the last couple of hours of the trading session, we saw the action once again pick up in Nifty, and the Nifty ended the day flat. We can say down 20 points in today's trading session. The market breadth was, however, positive with 813 advances to 733 declines. The small cap index was up by 0.3% and the mid cap index was up by 0.4%. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI Bank, Infosys, Reliance, Larsen and Toubro were some of the losers in trade today, while ITC, Tata Motors, Cipla, Hindustan Unilever, Coal India were some of the gainers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that after the spectacular run that the Nifty saw today, today it just consolidated in a sideways manner for most part of the day, ending the day on a negative note. We feel that this today's trading session was just a breather for the market, and in coming trading sessions, it should continue its positive momentum on the upside. On the upside, we expect the Nifty to touch or test the upper end of this upward sloping channel, which comes to around 8260, 8280 on the upside, which also coincides with the daily upper Bollinger Band. So around that level, we can up till that level we remain on a positive stance, and we expect Nifty to trade with a positive bias. On the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening gap down, it traded with a negative bias for the whole part of the day. It took support around the 20-hour moving average, and thereafter, the last hour, we see it closed on the last candle shows a green candle, which indicates that buying or crucial support of 20-hour moving average has been held in today's trading session. Crucial supports are placed at 8127, which is the 20-hour moving average, and below that 8100. On the upside, 8180, which is this high, is a crucial resistance, and above that 8230 are crucial resistances. Overall, friends, the view on the Nifty remains positive. Today was just a sideways consolidation day, and we expect the positive momentum to continue in the coming trading sessions on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly, after the good run that we saw yesterday, today it just consolidated after opening in the negative. It has closed in the negative. However, we feel that it was just a sideways consolidation, and the positive momentum should resume on the upside. On the upside, we feel that Bank Nifty has still more legs on the upside, which can take Bank Nifty up till 16,500 in the coming trading sessions. For doing that, it has to surpass the previous swing high of 16,222, and above that 16,500 and 16,700 are the next crucial levels on the upside. On the downside, we feel 16,060 and 15,890 are crucial supports. We maintain a positive stance on Bank Nifty as well. The daily momentum indicator is also having a positive crossover, so it means every dip should be a buying opportunity. Now, if in coming trading sessions, if we surpass, or the Bank Nifty surpasses above 16,222, that should be a breakout trade, and traders should go long on Bank Nifty. If in the coming trading sessions Bank Nifty trades above 16,222. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty remains positive for a target of 83.10 on the upside. Today's trading session can be considered as a breather for the markets, and the positive momentum should resume in the coming trading sessions. That's all for today. Thank you.